Malalau malia ho e ki mulele e Tonga hono kotoa, whiwhia ki utalitali lei ki mautonu, ki o mo uniongo ngō mele tio, kai o maafa ke televisione Tonga ki he hauani. Wakai koia ki he ngahi ulu i o ngō. Mea tamapili ni skalauni o whailonga e kamata e polokalama whakaari ari whakatau aki, ai potunga e komesi, consumer whakatau aki, ila fo o mo ngawe ai kakai. Kakate whatatole kau polisi ki he sino na e mau he e lia tauliki o whapapau i ko tangata e ki ta ua ngo fulu nei sia. Pea leko te potunga e polisi e mo ui e wane mole i he tānoa kita i he mahina ko osi. E to ia i pe me ngahi talanoa ki he anayange whataha me wakai ki he whamimitaha me he mala e o sipoti kai o maafo ki whamatala ea kakai wakai lewa emi ki whaikiki ko au sanori tātu i vai. Ko ha whanua ko tu maali e kono ngawe i whakataha e kakai o e whanua, ai mahu o e whanua ko ia. Ko e konga ia e mea tamapili ni skalauni tu poutoa olu ka alala, i ona whailonga i kamata e polokalama whakaari ari whakatau aki, ai potunga i komesi, consumer whakatau aki, ilo fo o mo ngawe ai kakai. Ko e polokalama ko e niu whatau mo anya ke whakai ai e kau whakatau aki, kau hukoloa ki toa pule a ngā mo kau nima mea a. Ke nau tolongo mo uyange, hono ngauhi a e nau koloa whaloto whanua ke ngawe aki i Tonga ni. I he mea tamapili ni skalauni tu poutoa olu ka alala koe kawenga tatake ake whakaari ari o i tau ni, o ku whenā pasi peia mo i tau mo a ngawe ai Tonga. Ki ono whakaivia ai ngahi koloa whaloto whanua ke hoko koe mau anga pa anga lelei. Kai ke koe kawenga i tau ni koe whakatau e koloa ngauhi i Tonga ni, mo i ngawe whataha ki ho tau kaha o.
Ko kawenga tau ni, ko whatau koloa ngau i Tonga. Nga whataha o tau ka hau. O ne whamanatu mai ki ati ki tau tolu. O ka kai langa hau tau pureanga. A ka monu pe. Ka langa e tau ngau e whataha. A ke tau whiri ke invest o tau kakai. Pōpō ke ngai business whaloto whanua. Whaiwia e ngau i koloa whaloto whanua. Pe whatupure kina. A ngai whangamari e. Mai tō tangata e ka au. E ahoni, tau kātoanga e whāri ari, pe whakatau aki a Tonga, hono nima. Koe makamaire, une whahae mai, ai whakalakalaka tau taha. Ai e sektoa tau taha, ngai business whakalato whanua, pe mo e tupulaki. Pe ke whalalaanga o ngai business i Tonga ni. Kau mauluange, e tau whailonga e ngai niwa mea. Kau whare ari koloa mo ngai businessi. Ko nau ngau e o ne langa ai ka hau wha ekonomika o Tonga. Ko mo ngai businessi o kui kai ngat. E kai ko ngai whenga business pe. Ko e koloa katoa pe o whare ari hao ni. O ne tokonia e tupu wha ekonomika o Tonga. Wha malohia e ngai. Ngau e wha business wha tu whanua. Pe ko kamatanga lerei ai. Ka hau te tau tūmari ai. Ko mō kātaki, o mō ngahi ngāwe, o ne langa e ngāwe wha business, pia laukau aki, e Tonga i mamani.
O Tonga ni nei mea e pe minista e potu ngāwe komesi, consumer whi whakatau aki, ilo fo o me ngāwe ai kakai to ke tāwhiam Latu o Vikia, ai kau ngāwe nima mea a, whi whakatau aki me kau hūkoloa ki tu apure a ngā i he ngāwe māte aki ko ia, o nau ngāwe i he whanua, ne o ngō ai lahi ngahi pole o i kua ngā. Kai ke henei pehe ai pe e toke tā Latu o ku alupe ai tau, mo te whakalakalaka nge ai sektoa ko e ni.
Koe konga pene visone a ene a fio pe mo i pure anga. O i kai ngata ai ka kono whaka ai e ka kai whanua. Ke nau whakahoko fo mo ngāhui ai koloa i Tongani. Koe makatu unga i he visone ki he langa whakalakalaka, whaka ekonomika. Pek mau lau tāpu aki hei ahoni koe ke pūri, o ku wongo ngā e aho pe whire mo whafo no ngai whatongia. Tau to whito ki hono kātoa ngā e senturi e lotu hono ua i ho tau whanuani, pe mo ngai whatongia kehe, kau mau lau monu, pe mo lau tāpu aki. I kai ngā tai, whamalo ki he kau whakawhe, ki he ho iknista, kai pe hei ki he kau whakafonga, o ngai pure anga muri, tangata i whaiwhikau, e kau pure ngā aue, ngai hoa ngā aue, o moulawa mai ke tau kau whakataha i hono whakailonga i ahon. Na e makatuunga e kātoanga koe ni pe mo e polokalama whakaari ari koe ni, koe whainga pe ai potu ngā ue, ke whakahaha ai mea o malawa, e ho kakai tamplinisi. Pea a wen ke tuunga kua hoko koe kātoanga whakata. Pa koe tu o ni mai ni hoi mau whakahoko ai whatongia koe ni. Pa koe e tui o ku whakalakalaka ki mua. Pea moe amanaki le rei ki he kahau. Pea moe ngahi tare niti o ku whakakoloa aki ai kakai tonga. Kono uhinga koe fo koloa pea mo whakatupu hawhangi koloa i tongani.
Ko e polo kalama whakari ari whi whakatau ake koe ni whakahoko ia i he aho e tolu, pe e toka kato ia ki he aho toko nā ki. Ko ka kanta whatatone kau polisi ki he sino na e mau i he elia tauliki i ngahi wike kua mali watu. I hangongo tuku ate kau polisi na e mau e sino ko e ni na te eki ke lava ki whakapapau i pe ko hai e toko taha ko e ni. I he kakato ko e ni whatatolo kua whakapapau i e pe ko tangata e ki ta unongo fulu pe a meisi e sia. I he whaike eke ai o ngonga li te o Tonga mo e puli aptanga polisi Tongatapu hala Tongatapu ko e tangata eiki ko e ni na e kai ke iai hakau ngā ke ai hakawe inga whikau aki moha whai hia. Ka koe mālolo pe tupu mihi ene whinga ke whoki ki sia kāna i kai ke lelei e tahi i he whiawhi ko ia. Hoku mahina pe ko tangata eiki ko e ni na iai palopale ma whakai atamai kia te ia.
Peki a koe tina e ilo i he e wafu anga koe ni ki he peisi koe ni kau tau ane a whio i tauriki e neiwi. Ai koe ne mau report koe ni he kau polisi i he a tāwalu mai na sune. Whawhope taim tātaha pe o whiai. Ka tōpure lulu. A si nogo te ki ana e mau i he area koe ni. Pena e hoko aturewa ngau e kau polisi i he me he aho ko ia o au mai koe ki he aho ni. Kulava o identify e pekia. Te ke ngatai kau ko mahino mai koe pekia koe matapure tau nonoa me sia. Pea whatahata mo e siwi e kau to e tā. Mo whatahai mo la whatatolo kau polisi. Mahino koe pekia na kai ki aha e whelawei mo mea whahia. Koe pekia ku mawanofo peki he api sia. Pea kai koe api foki kau koe matapure koe ni o veipe monore koti. Kore māku ai ola ki taimi o ki wasia whaata mai. Ka koe tūnga e taimi ni kusilawa o whakakato e ngā ue ki e pekia koe ni. Pea tuanga tai pepe o masina e pekia ki e whamiri ki whakakato ai ngā ue koe ki he whahike heka e wholaua e pekia koe ni. Ka kumahino koe pekia na e whai sio whamui mui peki he pekia e aho tahawha. Pea mau no sino i e aho tahawalu. E kumahino pena e pe koe ne whainga whanonga ki sia pe koe whoki mai i e taimi tatau. Ka koe mea peu mau he whatolo ka puisina ki hako e mai taimi koe ni. Mahino pena e pekia o kaunga pekia i pia moe mafu koe ui he o whatatau ki e siwi ko whai he kauto e tā. Ka koe tōnga koe ai koe ngā ue whahau e kau polisi. Silawa identify he pekia koe ni pea whakakato pea moe ngā whima o whatatau ki he rao. Pea koe ne au main ki he au ni kulawa whakakato.
Kai ke he ko kakato e pe whakatotolo pea ko os whakata ai sino ai pekia ki he whamili. O ku ia to kanga make he potunga ai polisi ki he hoko ai hāmai ai tānoa kita i e mahina kua osi ata pe. O ku mahino i he leko te potunga ai polisi ai mo i ke he ewa ne mole tupu mei he tānoa kita. Ko e whai ki ke tala noa ko ia ki hauani pea mo vai whanua tō Paula.
I he whai ke eke ngonga le dio me televisione Tonga pe mo i puli polisi e aptanga polisi Tongatapu hala Tongatapu na ne whahai ko iongo mo ui ke koe ni koe matapu le tau wanoa pe mei whamotu mo e matapu le tau tolu noa me ka meli wawao.
Koe whilawei pe mo e pekia tauna kita, ko peki tauna kita ki ni e ua, e ngai wiki pe ko tau situa mi ai. Ai koe ulaki koe pekia e aho wataha mai na sune, tai mi walu pe o fiai na pompong sapate. At no foanga I wawau I ka meri. Ai koe pekia koe Matapu le tau tau noa, I ka meri wa wa upe. Ui pe ono hoa, pe mo koe kia hana whanau. Koe mea pou mahina e tai minina e pe ne loto mamahi ono hoa, na mea whamili pe, na e hoko ai tau na kita koe ni ne loto mamahi. Koe mea kou mahino mehe ngau e kou uswakato he kau polisi, lava whakakato whatapa ma ngau e kau Tongatapu. Koe ne malolo matunga pe mehe ne tau na kita ki e wara ukila, ki e apinofo anga koe ni I ka meri.
Loto ani ni te pehe taufa na te le koti mo Matapu le wha motu I he kavinga ko e palpale ma moho no kau mea. Ne tuk mai pehe taufa ai ta pouki kai whanua whika aki mo I whimau ki toi tokanga ange ai kai whanua ki he kavinga koe ni ke hui o ke haalahi ai hama i mo uiok mole tupu me he palpale mai api.
Ta kono ua koe pekia koe ni wha motu koe pekia koe I wha motu koe meana e hoko ia I he aho tahiwa mai na sune. Whawofua eni ki he tātaha po uri. Na ripoti mai ke kau polisi ai. Ko Tongatapu anoa eni me wha motu. Pena e ngalawa o awe peni whare mahaki kei mo ui pe. O tongoto pe whare mahaki, toki pekia Tongatapu koe ni whare mahaki aho uawha, koe purelu uawha mahina sune. Lava mono whakakato ngā aue koe ni, kataha ngā aue kau polisi pe mo e Tongatapu siri mehe. Tongatapu mahino pe koe ne malolo me na ua ki ai retata ne wahoko aki ai tauna kita. Pea koe tuunga e koe ai, ko slava tuunga ngea ki pe mo sino pekia koe ni e monite o wikeni, monite wahiwa ki he whamiri. Ai koe mea kou mahina e taimini, koe patau ke whatoro koe kau polisi, mahina na e ai pene taiwhi mai no aki pe mono kau mea. O hoko ai loto mamahi koe ni e Matapure koe ni. Koe ne au koe ki he aho ni koe tarakita keni hono tolu I he tauni. Pea koe ai pea tokarala e putna awe ki ahi siu koe twilawe I pe. Pekia tauna kita koe ki alo ki kakaki o lunga e lahi e hoko ai whatu tāma koe ni. Pea koe pe tokarala e putna awe ki he kakai whonua. Pea ki he whaam ke tau toi whekau ak whatahange, kau koe hame au tokanga ki ai ataha, mau I ngai ai whetokoni aki, pe mo tā noa I ngai palpare ma, koe kai koe I siuia o e hoko mai I he kahau, koe uhi koe kai ke te lawa o wahe ai whaingata aki, ni ihi, kai lawa o hoko ai ke toope e nau mo ui.
Koe pule polisi e ngahi aptanga polisi I Tongatapu ni, halatoa tauwha. Mai ngonga le te o mo televisione Tonga, ko au wahe whanua tō Paula.
Pea mei he whamimutaha koe whi au hi whilimisi hei lala. Na e whahoka ne whi au hi tale niti ai kauwhine mui o nau weipa I ai kalauni o mis hei lala wanoa wao no. Koe whi au hi hono tōluia, ko whakamau I ai kauwhine mui ko eni, ai ne nau whaka ali ai hono ngahi tale niti taktaha. Kai ke mahino pe koe lolotonga ni, o lolotonga whakahoko atu, ai whi au hi ko ia o e te unga matatahi pe he whoki ki he ngahi walatu whanua. Vai whanua tō Paula I pe moi whaikiki.
Mei he ngai tale niti e hongo wholu maa wha ne whakaali ane whiawhi ne tūki mu ai e kauwhine mui e toko nima ne whakahaki nau tolu ko e toko nima lelei taha I he whiahi tale niti ke toki ui ai kuna pea mei he toko nima ko e ni I he kātoanga whakpale a pongpongi. Aia ko e tale niti e nima tūki mua ko e ni ne kau kia e Miss Ewa Tourism Petiola Masila. Mohono tale niti ko e tā manu uli mo e ngai ngau e whakaapi o kuneanga maheni kene whakahoko I Ewa. Ko e Miss SNS USA, lava he kakalahi ngoa e sau, mohono tale niti ko e whananga hau pa mo e whaiva hula whakahawai e. Ko e Miss Masani Connect, Ministry of Tourism, te ki whaiva tui tawake mohono tale niti, ko e whaiva hula whakapolinsia. Miss Tonga Australia, Andi Veniana Talia Uli, ko e hele wālingi mo hiva leo. Pea koe whakaosi koe Miss Lady Maria Tonga Australia, Siria Matelau koe whaiva whatoa pole anga koe nuk iloa ki he tokolahi koe Pelei. Me he tale niti e ni makoe ni tok whake pale uloa ki iua moe tolu a pongpongi. Ka ke he uktoe e whiau hi e tolu koe te unga matātahi me te unga tu whanua ngauhi mei he koloa whawhanua i he whakaukau whoou o ku whahoko ia i he whiwhini. Pea e tok whaose pongpongi ki he whaose e whiau whakaeke eke, whakataha mohono whakalauni i kuna o e whiau hi Filimis hei lala o e tauni. Ka ke he i he whiau hi e tolu ko o si o ku mahino, o ku huluni mai e kauwhine mui e toko tolu i he tūkimu a i he toko nima tūkimu a o i kotoa e ngahi whiau hini ai a ku kau ki hene Miss SNS USA, Miss Masani Connect Ministry of Tourism, pia moe Miss Lady Maria Tonga Australia. Mai ngonga le te o mo televisione Tonga, ko au vahe whanua tu umpola.
Uni o ngonga whalotuwhanua ia me le te o Tonga Owaki, pia whake televisione Tonga ki Hawani, te tau wakaile wahin ki whamumuita mei he mala e o sipoti, whahauka te pia oli e.
I he whetaki ni mai komisoni whamawhola rea Tonga me potu ngāu e ngahi ngāu e whalota whanua pē mia. Malawa i ke whamawhola te mala e sipoti me whiau hi Super Rugby Pacific Manoa Uano. Whamalo ke 8 Minister me tawā hi sipoti ai potu ngāu e i whenga e aki ua whakahoko. Malo me tau ki i whilonga ki koe whakaini ki he mala e o e sipoti. O kai maali e hala toa mui pia mui Hakame Brangers e ngahi tokoni me tima ahimi Amerika whanatau ki he whamatala pe mi he minister ki ngai ngau e whalato whanua a i whamalmalua e sipoti Honorable Fane Fotu Fituafe. Na e whaha he minister ko e kamatai ne tokoni me he kupu whingau e aki who koe ni mi Amerika ne taki mai e whakotonga e University iloa ko ia ai BYU Karani Sitake ke sipoti he whanuani.
Whengawe aki Amerika, ambastoa, whawhawhonga Amerika I Tongani, pia moe koe flag football, o koe more like a preparatory ki he alogo i American football. Tako nau hawe ne o partner pa moe Embassy Amerika ke whakahoko umea ko ia he Pasifiki, mo to introduce me aga pulfa Amerika ke toi lele yang ke toi ai ilo ko ki ai e tau whanau.
Rotongani ko e whama lele e nia ki ka hau e sipoti tau whito ki hono whawhi iloa ki hako topo e whanua ki haka polu wha Amerika ai mahino ko e whenga maari e lahi e tai maari e ai hako topo i he polo kalamani.
Ma la watu pa moe minister ko koe tourism mo mea. O taritari nau tolu I te whai vai koe paanga lahi e mahua mai I he kautones, employment, kai ke ngata he paanga ke ngai project ki ai whanua mo ngai community. Lava o koe employment center, koe learning center. O aus avela polo tai mini ngā ue ai. O sai ta mai ki ngā ue tai mini ai. I tau prokalama ko ia.
Kai ke he ko Karani Sitake na e whanau I Tongani ki mua ane hik whanua ki Amerika mono whamiri o nofo I la I e Hawaii pe aku I kai ke sola ke kai ngā Polinisia I Hawaii he ne lava mea haka pulu wha Amerika pe whoki ke whepopo waki mui kai ngā Tonga I he wahengani.
Amu na e au tonu atu ki loto whale ai Tonga hono kotoa. Whamalo te tau kei whi au mai, ka mōmea.
Good evening and welcome to your English news package with radio and television Tonga News for this Thursday evening, July 2nd. Today's top stories. His Royal Highness Crown Prince Tupoto'a officially opens the annual trade fair in Nuku'alofa. Police complete investigation into body found at the Toliki area, confirming the deceased to be a 60-year-old man from Siasia. And Miss Heilala Talent Night sees contestants display a wide variety of talents, from skillful chores to elegant dances. These and more coming up later on in this bulletin, as well as the latest from the sports scene and the latest weather update to wrap up this hour's news package. Now for the news in detail, I am Popua Aho. A nation's prosperity depends on its people working together to make the most of the country's resources. That was the message from His Royal Highness Crown Prince Tupo To'a Ulukanala as he officially opened the annual trade fair organised by the Ministry of Commerce, Consumer, Trade, Innovation and Labour, aiming to encourage local businesses, exporters and handicrafts to become more active in producing locally made goods for use in sale within Tonga.
In his address, the Crown Prince Tupo To'a Ulukanala said that this year's exhibition theme aligns well with Tonga's national goal of strengthening locally produced goods so they can become a sustainable source of income for the country. The theme for this year's exhibition is Buy Tongan-made products and work together for our future. Meanwhile, the Minister of Commerce, Consumer, Trade, Innovation and Labour, Dr. Latu, also addressed the opening ceremony. He praised Tonga handicrafts, business owners and exporters for their dedication and commitment to serving the country despite the many challenges they continue to face. He said the sector continues to grow and improve with each passing years. The trade exhibition will run for 3 days and will conclude on Saturday.
Police have completed their investigation into the body that was found in the Doliki area last month, confirming it was a 60-year-old man from Siesia who police believe drowned while attempting to swim across to Siesia.
Police were notified about the body being discovered at Doliki area on June 18th by personnel from His Majesty's Armed Forces near the Masefield Naval Base and sought assistance from the public to identify the deceased. Speaking to Radio Tonga News, the Tongatapu Police Commander Tongatapu says that the investigation has been completed as the police have confirmed that the deceased was a 60-year-old man from Siesia. He adds that the man's death was not related to any criminal activity. Instead, it appears he died while attempting to return to Siesia during the night when sea conditions were rough. Police also confirmed that the man had a history of mental health problems. Tongatapu Commander Tongatapu said the investigation has now been completed and the body has been released to the family.
Tonga Police has expressed serious concern after they recorded 2 deaths due to suicide in the past month alone. Police are concerned as it appears both cases were related to difficulty faced in relationships with their partners.
Speaking to Radio and Television Tonga News, the Tongatapu Police Station Commander, the Chief Police Superintendent, Tongatapu, said the 2 deceased were a 20-year-old man from Whaamotu and a 30-year-old man from Kameli Vava'u. Taufa said the 30-year-old man from Kameli died several weeks ago after being found deceased at his home. He said the incident is believed to have been related to family issues involving his wife. Taufa also said that police also recorded the death of another 20-year-old man from Whaamotu, whose case is believed to have been linked to problems in his relationship with a girlfriend. He appealed to the public to pay closer attention to these issues, saying that police are increasingly concerned about the growing number of lives being lost because of problems at home and in personal relationships. This is the 3rd suicide death recorded by the Tonga Police so far this year. Reporting for Radio and Television Tonga News, I'm Vaifunoatu Paula.
And as we reach the halfway point of the Miss Heilala pageant, 3 contestants have emerged as early frontrunners in the Miss Heilala 2026 competition after continuing to place among the top performers across the first 3 judged categories. The latest stage of the competition was held last night with the Miss Heilala Talent competition, where contestants showcased their creative takes on several different talents.
From the 14 contestants, the top 5 in the talent category were revealed at the end of the night, in no particular order, with the final awards set to be presented on the final night tomorrow. The 5 finalists in the talent category included Miss Ewa Tourism, Betiola Masila, who showcased her hunting skills and proved that doing chores at home is a special talent. Miss SNS USA, Lavalava Hekakala Esau, who combined her archery skills with a Hawaiian hula. Miss Masani Connect Ministry of Tourism, Teki Faiva Tuitavake, who performed a medley of contemporary Polynesian dances. Miss Tonga Australia, Antivenia Natalia Uli, who played the violin and delivered a moving emotion of the hymn, It Is Well With My Soul. And Miss Lady Maria Tonga Australia, Celia Matilau, who brought the beauty and elegance of Pele to the stage. The remaining competition categories are the sarong wear and island creation, taking place tonight before the competition comes to a close tomorrow evening with the final stage interview. Meanwhile, so far, Miss SNS USA, Miss Masani Connect and Miss Lady Maria Tonga Australia have consistently featured among the top 5 contestants across the completed categories, placing them among the leading contenders for this year's crown. Reporting for Radio and Television Tonga News, I'm Vaifunotu Paula.
That's your local news for tonight. After this break, sports is up next with Pierre Ollier.
Welcome back in sport. The village of Hakame in the western Tongatapu has benefited from donations and community service provided by a visiting delegation from Brigham Young University, including members of the BYU Cookies football team and representatives of the We Are One Foundation. Speaking to Radio and Television Tonga Sports News during the team's community outreach day at Teufaiva yesterday, the Minister of Internal Affairs, Honourable Fani Fotufituafe, described the visit as a blessing for the country. She said the initiative began in her constituency and is expected to expand to other districts across Tonga. The minister also said that the visiting team assisted with the renovation of the village hall, the evacuation center, and facilities used by local sports organizations. The delegation was led by Tongan-born BYU head coach Kalani Sitanke, who joined youth in the village for a range of community activities. Sitanke was born in Tonga before his family moved to the United States, where he was a child, settling in Laie, Hawaii. He later attended high school in Kirkwood, Missouri, and played fullback for BYU under legendary coach Le Valle Edwards, graduating in 2000. The BYU delegation left Tonga today.
That wraps up this hour's news package, but before we part, here's a final look at tonight's top stories. His Royal Highness Crown Prince Tupoto'a Ulukalala officially opens the annual trade fair in Nuku'alofa. Police complete investigation into body found at the Toliki area, confirming the deceased to be a 60-year-old man from Siasia. And the Miss Lala Talent Night sees contestants display a wide variety of talents, from skillful chores to elegant dances. That's your news package for this Thursday evening, July 2nd. Join us again tomorrow for the latest local and sports news and weather updates. Now, for myself and the Radio and Television Tonga News team, thank you for joining us. Have a good evening.